FeatureWire uses the same feature-based approach as all other FeatureCAM modules, enabling you to program 2 and 4-axis wire EDMs with ease. Based on the geometry of the part, FeatureWire selects all the appropriate settings automatically, generating ready-to-use toolpaths in seconds. And to do this, you follow the same steps you follow with any other FeatureCAM module. I've got my stock defined. You can either draw or import your geometry and then start chaining your curves, and I'll put a closed curve right around that geometry, and then move on to features. And here you can see the features that we offer with FeatureWire. 2-axis with dies, punches, sides, and rapids. Same features for 4-axis applications. And we also support feature recognition. So for this part, I'll just go through the wizard. There's my curve. There's a preview of my feature. I can make sure my thickness is correct by just selecting the stock, top and bottom. Go through some other settings such as taper, tolerances. I can set a start point. So I have a point here. I want to go from that start point to my geometry. You can see my lead-in move previewed right there. And then I can go through and select some other strategies, what types of operations I might want to occur on this part. I'll click Finish, and the feature is finished. I can go to the properties, make any changes I want, and then run a simulation. So I'll run a centerline simulation first. There you can see the wire cutting the path. If I decide I want to make a change, I can stop that simulation, open up the feature, and make whatever changes I need. In this case, I might want to apply some taper. And we support all different styles of taper. I'll go with an ISO right 10 degrees and click Apply. You can see the feature updates, and all I need to do is run a new simulation. I'll speed this up just a little bit. And of course, once my simulation is complete, my NC code is ready to go. One more step here. I'll make a 3D simulation, play that, get my selection arrow back, then I can click on the slug to remove it and see what my finished part looks like. For 4-axis wire applications, the process is very much the same. You simply have 2 curves to be used as profiles in your feature. If I open up the feature, you can see the upper curve, the lower curve, and then you can match those curves to make sure you have no twist in the profile and yet exactly the shape you want. FeatureWire also allows me to use feature recognition to extract both 2-axis and 4-axis wire features. Go through the wizard. The wizard will help me chain curves for both the top and bottom profile in the case of a 4-axis wire feature. And then I just go through the wizard, filling in all the extra information. I click Finish, and I can run my toolpath, hide the excess pieces of material, and examine my NC code.